In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gracefully close your Big Cartel shop. If you've decided to say goodbye to this chapter of your business, it's essential to do so smoothly and effectively. We'll make sure you navigate through the process without a hitch. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your Big Cartel account and head over to the dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage all the aspects of your online store. On the top navigation bar, you'll find an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on Account. This section is where you manage your personal and store details. Once you're in the Account section, scroll down until you spot the Plan and Billing section. This part of the dashboard gives you an overview of your current subscription and billing information. Here, you'll see the Manage Plan button. Click on Manage Plan to proceed with the closure process. In this new section, you'll encounter the option to Close Shop. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to finish a survey. Now, taking the time to fill out this survey is entirely optional but helpful. It's there for Big Cartel to gather feedback on your experience. Whether you choose to complete the survey or skip it, you can also leave any additional notes in the provided space. Think of this as your chance to share valuable insights or leave a final message. When you're ready, click on the Continue button. This will bring you to the next page, which is a confirmation step. Here, it's crucial to review all the information to ensure that closing the shop is what you want. The page will ask you to confirm your decision to permanently close your shop. Take a moment to consider this step carefully because, once confirmed, the closure is final. Make sure you're prepared for this change and that you've backed up any necessary data you want to keep. After confirmation, you'll see a Close Shop button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button executes the final step. Simply follow any additional on-screen prompts that appear. These cues ensure you've completed everything correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your Big Cartel shop. Remember, this decision is significant, but it's part of the journey. Whether you're moving on to another platform or stepping away from e-commerce for a while, you've taken a thoughtful approach to close this chapter. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials.